How to fix SBI Bank OTP not received problem. Hey guys, welcome back to 1 Million Ideas YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you how to fix SBI Bank OTP not received problem. So guys, for this you have to go to your mobile settings, click on mobile settings and now search for install app or app manager. So here is it, click on install app and then search for messaging. Here is it, messaging. Click on messaging and then you can see the app permission button. Click on app permission and then you have to allow all the permission here. Go back and then again search for SBI. Here is it. Click on SBI and then you can see the app permission. Click on app permission and then here also you have to allow all the permission. Go back to the menu, restart your phone and reopen the SBI app. The problem will be solved. Thanks for watching.